You may have already heard about a recent discovery, 6 ancient galaxies, each with such astonishing masses that they challenge our traditional ideas about cosmology. Until recently, scientists believed that these objects could be something else, such as younger structures or black holes, but new data has shown that they are just as old and massive as suspected. This discovery has forced researchers to recognize that our knowledge of the early universe is extremely limited. So what does this mean for the whole understanding of the cosmos? When the James Webb Space Telescope set off on its ambitious mission in December 2021, its mission was not just ambitious, it promised to revolutionize our understanding of the origin and evolution of the universe. Less than 3 years later, it's already clear that Webb has fully lived up to his expectations. His incredible sensitivity and ability to look into the deepest corners of space led to the discovery of active black holes, the oldest stars and, as we have already discussed, incredibly massive galaxies. All 6 newly discovered galaxies existed just 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. According to traditional cosmology, stars and galaxies at that time should have been small and low mass. But data from James Webb suggests otherwise. The mass of these galaxies is comparable to the mass of the modern Milky Way. One of them could contain more than 100 billion solar masses of stars. If this turned out to be a mistake, scientists would have corrected it long ago, but all the checks only confirm the data. This discovery has become a real headache for astronomers. Cosmological models argue that the first stars were insufficient to form such massive objects at such an early period. What's more, it's possible that these galaxies are not star clusters, but colossal black holes surrounded by dust. But even that doesn't solve the problem. If even one of these galaxies exists as it was discovered, then all our cosmological models will have to be revised. Astronomers are already used to James Webb breaking stereotypes. In July 2022, he allowed scientists to discover the oldest galaxy that existed 300 million years after the Big Bang, but the story didn't end there either. An even more startling discovery was made in the spring of 2023, the galaxy GSC 140, which formed 90 million years after the Big Bang. This raised a wave of questions. How could such massive and luminous structures appear so quickly? With each new discovery, it's clear that our theories about the early universe need to be revised. The Big Bang theory, once dominant, is beginning to crack at the seams. We may be on the cusp of a new era in science, where familiar concepts are being replaced by even more surprising theories, such as the Big Bounce or even hypotheses that our reality is a complex hologram. However, this is not the only mystery astronomers face. With each new discovery, the universe is proving to be more complex and unpredictable. James Webb has already shown that existing scientific models need to be revised. But what's next? One of the most exciting hypotheses is the possibility that the early universe already had the conditions for the formation of supermassive black holes, which may have played a key role in the growth of these impossible galaxies. But how could this have happened just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang? To date, this remains one of the major mysteries of modern cosmology. If black holes really began to exist so early, it may lead us to reconsider the whole history of galaxy formation. Perhaps processes that we thought were slow and smooth may have occurred with much greater speed and intensity. In addition, the James Webb Telescope may help answer questions that concern not only the origin of galaxies, but also the nature of dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious components that make up most of our universe, but about which we know very little. Maybe in the near future, we will be waiting for new discoveries that will finally turn our view of the cosmos upside down and make us think, are our theories about the Big Bang and the evolution of the universe so true? So keep an eye out for new data, and don't miss the next sensations from the James Webb Telescope. If you want to keep learning about the most advanced discoveries in space, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss the next videos that may change your view of the universe.